Welcome to Fun English Friends.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Fun English Friends. Stop scrolling. Let's practice English together in a fun and easy way.
Emma has never traveled alone before. Today is her first big trip to another city. She feels a little nervous, but also excited. Can she take the bus, the train, and a taxi all by herself?
In this video, you'll practice real-life English conversation. Improve your listening and speaking.
Let's follow Emma and see what happens on her journey. Ready? Let's start.
Emma wakes up at 6 a.m. She opens her eyes.
Oh, today I go to River City.
She gets out of bed, takes a shower, and gets dressed. Then she eats breakfast. She has bread, eggs, and tea. Emma takes her phone.
I need to buy my train ticket online.
Emma opens a train app on her phone.
Okay, from Central Station to River City.
She taps search.
Oh, 9 a.m. train. Price is $8.
She taps buy ticket. She fills in her name and email.
Name, Emma Brown. Email, okay.
She pays using mobile payment. She taps Pay Now.
Confirm payment, yes.
After a few seconds,
Payment successful.
she reads.
I have a QR code. I will scan this at the station.
She smiles. Emma takes her bag and leaves her house. She walks to the bus stop. Near the stop, she sees a top-up machine and a staff member in uniform. Emma has a bus card, but she is not sure how to use it. Emma walks to the staff. Emma says politely,
Excuse me, I want to go to Central Station. How can I pay for the bus?
You need a bus card. Do you have one?
Yes, I have a card, but I don't have much money in it. Can you show me how?
No problem. You can top up your card at this machine.
Emma looks at the machine. Emma stands at the machine.
Can you show me how?
Of course. First, choose the language, then tap your card here.
Okay. Thank you. Select language, English.
She taps the screen. She puts her card on the scanner. Beep. The machine shows balance 50 cents.
Oh, not enough.
The staff stands next to her.
Press Top Up.
Emma presses the button.
How much do you want to add?
Maybe $5.
Okay, select $5.
Emma taps $5. The screen says, Insert cash or card. Emma looks at the staff.
I want to pay cash. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Emma puts a $5 bill into the machine. The machine makes a sound. Beep, beep.
Processing.
The screen shows. Emma looks a little nervous.
It's okay. Please wait a moment.
After a few seconds, top up successful. New balance $5.50. Emma smiles.
Oh, it works.
Yes. You're ready to use the bus.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
The bus arrives. Emma gets on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Emma looks at the card reader.
Do I tap here?
Yes, please tap your card.
Emma taps her card. Beep. The screen shows fare $1. Accepted. The driver nods.
Thank you. Everything is correct.
Thank you.
She sits down. After some time, the driver announces,
Central Station.
Emma walks to the front.
Excuse me, is this Central Station?
Yes, this is your stop.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Emma enters the station. It is busy. She looks at the gate and feels unsure. She walks to a staff member.
Excuse me, I bought my ticket online. What should I do?
The staff smiles.
Do you have a QR code?
Yes, it is on my phone.
Great. Go to the gate and scan your QR code.
Emma goes to the gate. She takes her phone.
Like this?
Yes. Put your phone under the scanner.
Okay, scan now.
Beep. The gate opens. Emma smiles.
It works. Thank you.
Emma sits in her seat. A train staff member comes.
Hello? May I check your ticket?
Sure.
She shows her phone. The staff scans the QR code. Beep.
Thank you. Everything is correct.
Thank you.
Have a nice trip.
You too.
The train arrives.
Welcome to River City.
Emma gets off.
I'm here.
Emma walks to a taxi.
Hello, are you free?
Yes. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Green Hotel.
Okay, please get in.
Emma gets in.
Do you use a meter?
Yes, I use a meter.
Okay, thank you.
After the trip,
We are here. The total is $5.
Emma takes money.
Here is $5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Emma stands in front of the hotel. She smiles big.
I did everything by myself. I topped up my card, took the bus, used an online train ticket, scanned it, and took a taxi.
She feels proud.
I am very happy I can use public transportation now.
Emma walks into the hotel with confidence.
Now you will learn some new vocabulary and useful phrases for daily life. These words are very common and useful. You can use them when you speak English every day. Let's get started.
Station, meaning a place where buses or trains stop. Example, Emma goes to the train station. Ticket, meaning a paper or digital pass to travel. Example, Emma buys her ticket online. QR code, a square code you scan with a phone. Example, Emma scans her QR code at the gate. Scan, to read a code with a machine. Example, Emma scans her ticket. Platform, the place where you wait for a train. Example, Emma waits at platform 3. Fare, the money you pay for transportation. Example, the bus fare is $1. Top up, to add money to a card. Example, Emma tops up her card at the machine. Balance, the amount of money in your card. Example, her balance is $5.50. Tap, to touch something quickly. Example, Emma taps her card on the reader. Gate, a place to enter or exit. Example, the gate opens after Emma scans her ticket. Meter, a device that shows the price in a taxi. Example, the driver uses a meter.
Now it's time for shadowing. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me.
I search for a train. I search for a train. There is a train at 9 a.m. There is a train at 9 a.m. The ticket is $8. The ticket is $8. I pay online. I pay online. I get a QR code. I get a QR code. I will scan it at the station. I will scan it at the station. I go to the bus stop. I go to the bus stop. I need to use a bus card. I need to use a bus card. I top up my card at the machine. I top up my card at the machine. My balance is low. My balance is low. I add $5. I add $5. Now I can take the bus. Now I can take the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I tap my card. I tap my card. The machine says beep. The machine says beep. I find a seat. I find a seat. I look out the window. I look out the window. This is my stop. This is my stop. I go to the gate. I go to the gate. I scan my QR code. I scan my QR code. The gate opens. The gate opens. I go to platform 3. I go to platform 3. I wait for the train. I wait for the train. I find my seat. I find my seat. The staff checks my ticket. The staff checks my ticket. I show my phone. I show my phone. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. I enjoyed the trip. I enjoyed the trip. I arrive in the city. I arrive in the city. I take a taxi. I take a taxi. I sit in the back seat. I sit in the back seat. The driver uses a meter. The driver uses a meter. The total is $5. The total is $5. I pay cash. I pay cash.
Nice work! Practice these conversations again to improve your English. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye!